Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip to Virginia, and we begin at the eastern terminus of I-24 and turn north onto I-75. This interchange is also the western terminus of US Highway 74, which will run concurrent with I-75 for the next 18 miles. It should be noted that US 74 is completely unacknowledged by signs along I-75 from the beginning all the way to where it exits in Cleveland, Tennessee. So I thought I'd make it feel better by acknowledging it in the video. Here, we see a multiplex of 5 different highways, with US 11 North, US 64 East, and the unsigned State Route 2 joining us temporarily. Exit 9 is labeled Volkswagen Drive, named for the Volkswagen Chattanooga assembly plant located just to the west. Here, in this 1.9 million square foot facility, Volkswagen assembles around 150,000 cars per year and employs 2,000 people. At exit 11, we lose US 11, US 64, and Tennessee Highway 2. Here we enter Bradley County, and the speed limit rises to 70 miles per hour. The county was named for Colonel Edward Bradley of Shelby County, Tennessee, who was colonel of Hale's Regiment in the American Revolution and the 15th Regiment of the Tennessee Volunteers in the War of 1812. Bradley County had an estimated population of 106,727 as of 2018, a growth of 7.8% since the 2010 census. At exit 20, US 74 departs, although the sign only mentions access to the US 64 bypass. As we said earlier, no signs along I-75 indicate the presence of US 74 at all. Poor thing. We entered the city of Cleveland, not the Cleveland in Ohio, not that far north yet. We're still in Tennessee. Cleveland is the county seat and the largest city in Bradley County. Cleveland is the 5th largest city in Tennessee with a population of 44,483. Tourism is a major part of Cleveland's income. Visitors come from all over the country to see attractions like the Cherokee National Forest in Polk County, which supports many recreational outdoor activities. The Ocoee and Hiwassee rivers both flow through the forest. Thousands of people raft these rivers annually. We end today's video at exit 25. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirts.com or become a patron at www.patreon.com/504roadtrips. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and join us for our next 504 road trip.